Doon ka sa sulod na. Doon ako sa sulod na.
Cortahada, Nia Joy N.
I have a response from you. Good afternoon. It seems that you are not happy. Okay, again, good afternoon. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay.
Morasan Angelo C. with honor. Parents, you may now don the medals. Akala Michelle C. with honors. Magara Vanessa G. with honor. Erica Angela T. with honors in outstanding performance in research or innovation. Parents, you may now don the medals. Wabi Raisa Yu with honors. Honors.
Lastly, we could not have
Avendaño, Mitch Angelo A. with honors. Maluka, Lovely Joy S. with
ng mga kabataan, anuman ang estado o sitwasyon sa buhay. At may
yan! Tunggat yan!
face in the back. It's time that we are going to give our thanks and gratitude to your parents. So that your parents will be motivated to give them full support. My dear graduates, in a very loud voice say, thank you very much, Mama, Papa. And a big round of applause.
Future will await each one of you as you journey to the next tertiary level of your life or that you want to follow in your lives. To the parents, thank you very much for caring your children. We know that everything can be achieved through God who is with us. Thank you. And
congratulations!
Once again, congratulations. That's what happens. Use the
1, 1, 2, 3.
Hindi, makita na lang baon. Hindi ka may